I will show you how to set up Document Processor 2.0 from Microsoft in Copilot Studio. So in this screen in Copilot Studio, you see that you can install Manage Agent. So in this case, you select Document Processor Preview. And because previously I've installed this, you see the Open button. Otherwise, you will see the Install button. So I'm going to click on the Open button. And this brings you to the Document Processor Preview application page. Now, I will walk you through the setup steps. And to do this, you would need to click on the configuration wizard. So click on this. And this will allow me to go through the steps to set Document Processor 2.0 up. So the first step is to start processing some documents. So in this case, I will select just one document. And it is now processing this document to train a model. You can obviously send in more documents to make the training better. Okay, there we go. So it has processed a document. So click on Next. So this is where you set up validation rules. So previously I set up a new rule where the dollar figure must be more than $10. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to move forward to assign reviewer. I will select myself. Okay. Now you select the document sources. In this case, when the email arrives, okay, and send it to this inbox. Okay, and there we go. We have completed the setup for Document Processor 2.0 from Microsoft. And previously, because I've sent in a few documents into my inbox, I will show you what they look like when extracted. So let's select document 2. So you can see that purchase order number, order date, down to vendor, address, ship to address. They are displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. So this concludes the setup for Document Processing 2.0 from Microsoft. Thank you.